Well, people, Dancehall Skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are right. Manners and respect, you see? Alright, so first things first, my people. I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I think that this video can bring some form of awareness to persons who have never been to Jamaica before and have never traveled in certain types of motor vehicles in Jamaica. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show quite a number of persons inside of a motor vehicle. And a man who you can see in the video said some things that gave me the understanding that he did not want no man too close to him. The man also said other things as well in the video, viewers and subscribers, and for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present the video to you. Now, please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, but people, and I really can't disagree with some of the things that the person said in the video. No, I cannot. You see what I say? Alright, don't get me wrong, viewers and subscribers. But have you ever heard about Pickpocket? You ever hear Jamaicans talk about Pickpocket? You have to be careful of Pickpocket, as all Jamaicans call some people do certain things like that. Yes, I say, yeah man, that's one thing to people. But here's another thing to again now. It's when you sit down in certain seats, in certain public transportation motor vehicles, it can be very awkward because, let me see if I can explain it to you as quick as possible to the best way we can. Alright, so let's say you're sitting in a seat right here where a person or persons have to walk past you or stand up beside you when they go up on a public transportation motor vehicle, and then you're sitting here and then the person has stand up right here, so or a pass you close right here, so you know your face there stand you know awkward. See, yeah, some people tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in the video, viewers and subscribers. You know, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a principal from a school that is located within St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, had been hospitalized after she had been chopped by a man who was wielding a machete. So according to information that I got, it is said that on Friday afternoon, a man went at a school or went on a school compound that is located in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and the man was holding a machete. And that there was some teachers and some students who was trying to stay away from the man. In my point of view, based on information that I got, I think it was because of how the man was behaving. Anyways, it is said that at some point, the man injured the principal for the school. It is also said that some students also went off the school compound because of what happened. It is said that the man chopped the principal, viewers and subscribers. However, I did not get any confirmed information as to how many times the principal had been chopped by the man who was holding the machete, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, And I also got unconfirmed information about the man's mental health, viewers and subscribers. See it? And I also got information that the man had been taken into police custody sometime after the whole incident. You see it? So I'm just give them information, the viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So it is said that the incident happened on Friday in the afternoon. That would be Friday, the 21st of October, the year 2022. All right. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that has been brought to my attention by someone. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two men at a construction site. The video also shows those two persons who was involved in the confrontation holding objects with the intention to use them as weapons. One of those objects is clearly a machete, no, viewers and subscribers. See? The video also shows other persons as well to viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video has been talked about on social media. And I want to say to each and everyone that you should always walk away from certain types of confrontation, especially if you know that the confrontation is the type of confrontation that can end up in a way where someone can get injured and someone can also lose his or her life. You understand? Just walk away. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yo. You want to run up on me now? Pass the last yours. Say you. Oh man, move on. Man, please easy. Put your last. Oh, last. No, come back down. No, come back down. No, come back down. Man, everyone. And man, no, you know, go away no fuck you know. And still have the last now. Put on the cutlass boy and go and go. Be the man last. Rasta, loy man alone na better. I think just you know we talking to again so that's a good talk.
Walk away from certain types of confrontation. Yeah, walk away from certain types of confrontation, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, notice one of those persons walked away. Yeah, big up to that person, the viewers and subscribers. Even though that person there didn't move certain ways like the person did really and truly was going to do certain things, but the person still walk away. So big up to that person that walk away, you know? Yeah, or maybe I truly see the person with the machete. Yeah? Ah boy. And big up to those persons who intervened in order to make sure that those two persons don't fight with each other. So, may I say, viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man. Big them up, man. And yes, I left it now, my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.